So it finally snowed in Ottawa. I was able to take the Jeep out for a ride. It's awesome. It is absolutely amazing out in the snow. Some people are talking about the BF Goodrich KO2s and how well they do. Oh my gosh. I just felt like I was almost riding normal. There was no obstacle. There was nothing. There was big piles of snow where the snow plows had gone through, and you just go through it. It's been a fun and amazing experience driving a Jeep Rubicon 4xe in the snow. Now, I don't have anything to compare it to other Jeeps. I don't know what the other trim levels are like, or other tires, but these BF Goodrich KO2s did absolutely amazing. I've had a blast today. Oh, you could just hear the engine just turned off, so now it's running on electric. It kicks on every once in a while, I guess, maybe to add some heat or heat the battery. I'm actually not quite sure. I had it in part-time four-wheel drive, and just to make sure that I had the all-wheel drive going at all times. And what a hoot. If you're in a northern climate and you need to get somewhere, this is it. It's just been a hoot. So congratulations to the manufacturers of the Jeep, because it did everything it promised. What an absolute amazing surprise in this 25 centimeters of snow today. Awesome.